Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I'm here to talk to you about MOG coin. Okay, MOG coin has been doing pretty goddamn well here over the last sort of day or so, and that's why we're here to do an update on it. And we're going to be looking at some price prediction as to where MOG could be going, and just a general overview of the asset in general. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. Drop a little like on the video if you could, and you can see the market cap for MOG currently hovering around $423 million. So for a meme coin, just in general, to be at this sort of level at around 400 mil market cap, it's super important that it's holding these levels right now, because assets that are holding these levels usually, and probably some already have, been basically well above $1 billion market cap, right? So in this market for MOG coin to be currently sat at around a $423 million market cap, it is actually super bullish and very likely that this will see $1 billion in the future. Okay, so yeah, definitely one to watch here. And you can see the last all-time high market cap that we did see for MOG coin was up at around $849 million. Didn't quite get to that billy, but the fact that we're still holding on, still in this area, and if we look at the general market structure for this asset here, let's go to the daily and let's break this down here, because this can get really interesting here. So you can see, obviously, this is our low side floor for this asset. Just banging some horizontals there. That is going to be the low side, and then we're going to be looking at higher lows. So a higher low here, guys, is an extensive pump and then a pullback. The significant pullback has to basically then, after the pullback, it has to break the high. So this breaks the high of the previous pump, and then this would be essentially the confirmed higher low. Okay, so the confirmed high low is here. The next confirmed higher low that we have is essentially breaking this high after the significant low, which is actually here, guys. Okay, now after that, you can see we pump up quite aggressively, and then we see a significant pullback coming through, and then we see a new high get created. But what I'm really interested on here, guys, is obviously this is a higher low as well, but you can see we've come down, we've tested previous high lows, and then we've come back above it. Okay, so in terms of the market structure right now, this is actually not looking too bad. Okay, and I bet if we got some Fibonacci in there as well, it would line up probably quite nicely from top to bottom. Let's have a little look here. There we go, top to bottom, you can see that we do have these very strong Fibonacci points here, which we are tapping continuously along this zone, okay? So yeah, the real target for this asset right now is to get above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, to get above this previous higher low point here, and that is going to be around this 0.51253. If we can get above that, guys, then it's super goddamn bullish, okay? So around that sort of area, and if we can get above there, and I would expect basically from there just a nice, quick, massive pump all the way back to all-time highs, and then this thing is going to run, okay? I really do think that this is not over. If you look at this chart just in general, just take a step back, have a little look. This is a bullish chart, a macro bullish chart, guys. This has got massive potential, and we know how big MOG is sort of in the space as well. I see a lot of NFT guys loving this coin, and the website and stuff like that. They've pretty much nailed it, right? All the branding is seriously on point, and yeah, it's definitely listed on many centralized exchanges as well. So I don't think that this asset is going to be going anywhere anytime soon. If anything, I think it's going to be exploding to the upside. Let me know what you think of MOG in the comment section, guys. I'm intrigued. What's your price prediction here for this asset over the next sort of year or so? But the big question is, can it get to $1 billion? My answer is yes, it can. Okay. Now, before we end the MOG video, we're going to go jumping straight into Pepe's own blockchain. Okay. So Pepe's own blockchain has just raised $14.7 million in their pre-sale. Super early, super alpha investment, guys. This thing is likely going to sit at around probably $500 million market cap once they've executed a very strong marketing budget into this. Don't know what price they're going to launch at. Probably around $1 million market cap, something along the lines of that. Who knows? But what I'm saying is, whatever they launch at, with this substantial budget of a pre-sale, this thing is going to absolutely explode. I'm talking 100x on our investment, maybe 50x, maybe not 100x if they launch at $1 million. But actually, no, yeah, it will be. It'll be 500x. Crazy stuff. But yeah, in a nutshell, Pepe has now got his own blockchain. They've basically built a layer 2 protocol on Ethereum like base chain for Pepe. And essentially it means that meme coins can now build on the Pepe blockchain. Crazy stuff, crazy meta that I think is going to do really well. And from a branding standpoint, it's absolutely unbelievable. And for them to raise $14 million in a pre-sale, that is unbelievable, guys. Okay, so if I were you, I mean, full disclosure, I've got into this pre-sale. I am what they say is balls deep in this, very bullish, and I think that there's some massive potential here for some really nice gains here. And you can see you can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, Card, or even BNB here. So if you want to get involved, you can. All the links are in the description for Pepe Unchained. This pre-sale is not going to last forever, guys. They've raised so much money. If you want to get involved with it, now is probably the time. Okay, but yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.